Hi, I'm Joan McCreary, Certified Professional Organizer and owner of JMPO. We understand that asking for help can be really hard. And here are some comments we've received from prospective clients. They might say, "It's going to be the worst you've ever seen. I'm so embarrassed. I can't have anyone over, even to help." Or, "I need to clean up first, and I don't have time for that." Or, "Your house must be perfect." Well, here's the truth. First, it can't be the worst we've ever seen, believe me. Two, we don't care what your house looks like, but you do, and that's why we're working together. As for cleaning up in advance, that prevents us from understanding your daily challenges, so don't worry about that. In my house, well, it's far from perfect, but it works for my family, and that's what counts. There's no good reason not to ask for help. Reach out to JMPO and let's get started.